So hi children, in the previous video we discussed that 3A worksheet, right? So here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 3B. Okay, children, see here, this is also related to applications on rational numbers. So let us see that a tank is 3/5 part full with water. Okay, 3/5 full of water. Okay, 50 liters more are required to fill it up. So how much water required to fill it up? 50 liters water required. So the number of liters of water that the tank can hold. Okay, so here they are saying that one of the tank is there. So that is totally 5 parts. They did the totally 5 parts. So children, see here, one of the tank is there. So that is totally filled with totally 5 parts. If they divide 5 parts. Okay, so total tank is divided in 5 parts. So 3 parts are filled. 3 parts are filled. Okay, so 3/5 part of that tank is filled here. So the leftover tank is there. No, so this is the empty tank. So to fill this tank here, 50 liters water required. Understand? So this is the question. So if we take in this total one as 1 part. Okay, so if you subtract that 1 minus 3/5, then we will get that 2/5. Or else by seeing this one also we can say that this totally divided into 5 equal parts. Out of 5 equal parts, 3 parts are filled. So how many parts are empty here? 2 parts are empty out of 5 parts. Understand? So here the leftover 2/5 part of the tank is empty. So the 2/5 part of the empty tank requires 50 liters of water to fill it up. Understand? So that is the question. Now see here. See here. So part of the tank filled with water. For part of the tank filled with water. So how much part is filled with water here? 3/5 part. 3/5 part of the tank was filled. Now here empty tank. Part of the tank empty. So empty tank is 1 minus 3/5, or else directly we can write that 2/5. 2/5 part was empty here. Okay, so 2/5 part of empty tank requires 50 liters of water. 50 liters of water to fill it up. Water to fill it up. Understand? This is what they given in the question. Okay, now see here, 2/5 part of empty tank. So 2/5 part of the empty tank, that is requires here 50 liters. So here we can take that 2/5 part of x. So 2/5 part of total tank is some x liters. Okay, so 2/5 part of x is equals to here 50 liters. Understand? So from this one, x is equals to 50 into 5/2. Reciprocal, no? So 225s and 25 5s, 125 liters water required here to fill that total tank. So 125 liters, that is divided into here 5 parts. Okay, 5 25s. So each part is filled with 25 liters of water. So here as per that given question, they said that last 2 parts are empty, no, about top 2 parts. So those 2 parts requires here 50 liters of water. Understand? So total capacity of the tank is totally 5 parts there. So each part here is carrying 25 liters of water. So 5 25s, 125 liters water, that is the capacity of the total tank. Clear? So which option is correct here? See that 125 liters. So option C is true here. Clear, children? Yes. So let us see that next second question, ma. So what is the second question here they are asking? In a school, 4/9 part of the students are boys. 4 by 9th part of the students are boys and the number of girls is 775. Number of girls is 775. So these all the questions related to same model. Okay, once see here, number of boys or part of the boys. The boys are there in a school. So how much part of their boys are 4 by 9th part. Okay, then here girls. Since girls, so boys 4 by 9th part there. Then here girls how much part ma here? 1 minus 4 by 9 which is equals to 5 by 9th part of girls are there. 5 by 9th part of girls are there. So here given that number of girls they given no. So number of girls means 5 by 9th part of x is equals to here girls are 775. Understand? So in a school totally some number of students are there. Out of them out of all the students here how many boys are there? 4 by 9th part of the boys 4 by 9th part of the total students they were boys. Okay, so here what is the part of the girls here? That is left over 5 by 9th part only no. So here they didn't give that fraction part here. Directly they given number of girls are there. So number of girls means how much part is there ma? 5 by 9. So 5 by 9th part of all the students. 5 by 9th part of all the students is 775 are girls. Okay, now we need to find that x value. So x is equal to 775 into 9 by 5 into 9 by 5. So 5 ones here see that 5 ones 5, 27, 5 5 is 25, still 25 is there. So 5 5 is 25. Clear? 155 into 9. Okay, 9 5 is 45. Again 9 5 is 45 plus 4, 49. 9 months 9 plus 4 that is 1395. So total students in your school 1395. So out of 1395 students here 775 students are girls. They are asking here how many boys are there in that school. So that's why 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2, 13 minus 7 is 6. So totally how many boys are there ma here? 620 boys are there. Okay, so option D is true here. Am I clear to you children? Yes. So let us see that next question ma. Yes. The sum of three sides of a triangle. So the sum of three sides of a triangle, we know that a triangle is having three sides. So sum of three sides of a triangle is 16 and 3 by 5 centimeters. If two of these sides measures, so two of these sides they given, one of the side is 5 and 7 by 10 centimeters. Another side is 6 and 3 by 4 centimeters. So we need to find this side. Understand? So that is the given question. So as per the given question, see here, given that sum of that three sides of a triangle. So what are the three sides ma here? 5 and 7 by 10 plus 6 and 3 by 4 plus x which is equals to here 16 3 by 5 centimeters. 16 and 3 by 5 centimeters. So 10 5 is 50 plus 7, 57 by 10 plus 6 4 is 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Clear ma? Yes. Plus x is equal to 16 5 is here. Yes. 16 5 is 80 plus 3, 83 by 5. Clear ma? Now simplify it. So yes. So 57 by 10 plus 27 by 4 plus x is equal to 83 by 5. Okay. So here directly we can do or else like this also. So x is equals to 83 by 5. Just transpose the terms to that RHS side. Minus 57 by 10 minus 27 by 4. Okay, so what is the LCM of 5, 10, 4? LCM of 5 and 10 is 10, we know that. Okay, so 5, 10, 4 LCM. 5 ones, 5 twos, and here 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos. 5 twos 10, 10 twos 20. So the LCM is 20. Clear? So 83 into 5 twos, 83 into 5 fours 20. Okay, minus 57 into 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Minus 27 into 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Clear? So which is equals to 4 3s 12. 4 8s 32 plus 1 33. Minus 57 2s 114. Okay, minus 27 5s. 5 7s 35. 5 2s 10. So 135. Clear ma? Yes. Whole by 20. Which is equals to 332 minus here 100 and 100. So which is equals to 200. So 230, 240. So 249. Whole by 20. How I did means here first I added that those two also having that negative sign, no? So first I added that hundreds. So 100, 100, 200. Next tens places. 10 plus 30, 40. So 200 plus 40, 240. Next ones places. 4 plus 5, 9. So totally 249. Okay. So which is equals to here 332 minus 249. Minus 249. So which is equals to here 12 minus 9, which is equals to 3. And here 12 is there, no? So 12 minus 4, which is equals to 8. Okay, understand? So 83 by 20. How much more that is? 83 by 20. Okay. So finally we got that 83 by 20. So answer is there in that fraction form, no? So 83 by 20 we can write that 24's 80 and 3 by 20. Clear? 4 and 3 by 20. What is the other side? 4 and 3 by 20 centimeters. Understand? So another side is 4 and 3 by 20 centimeters. Am I clear to you, children? So if you have any doubt, just check that. Add these three, then you will get that 16 3 by 5 centimeters. Understand? So let us see that next question. Yes, see here. A cord of length 82.5 meters has been cut into 30 pieces of equal length. Understand? Then the length of each piece is. See here, a cord of length, one of the cord is there, that is the length 82.5 meters and it is cut into 30 pieces with equal length. So each piece is having how much length they are asking. So we know that is division only, no? 82.5 meters divided by 30 pieces. Okay, so each piece is having how much length? So that is they are asking here. So 82 into 2 is 164. So 164 plus 1, 165. So 165 by here 2 is there. Along with that here 30 is there, no? So right here 30. Okay. So cancellations 5 6 30, 5 3 is 15 and 5 3 is 15. Clear? Next cancellations 3 2 6, 3 11 is 33. Clear? So which is equals to 11 by 4. So we can write that 4 2s are 8 and 3 by 4. Okay, 2 and 3 by 4 meters. 2 and 3 by 4 meters. So which option is correct now here? Option C. So each piece length is 2 and 3 by 4 meters. Understand? So that kind of pieces, totally 30 pieces are there. So if you add all those, we will get that 82.5 meters. Understand? So this is the fourth question. And see that question number 5. The product of two fractional numbers is 19. The product of two fractional numbers is 19. If one of the fractional number is 15 and 5 by 6. 15 and 5 by 6, one of the fraction. So if you multiply two fractions, so another fraction we don't know that. One of the fraction they given, another fraction we don't know that. So another fraction, take it as some x. Okay. So 15 and 5 by 6 into x. The product of these two value is equal to 19. The product of those two fractions is equal to 19. So the other fraction they are asking. So here 15, 6, 90, 90 plus 5, 95 by 6 into x, which is equals to 19. So x is equals to 19 into 6 by 95. So 19 months, 19 5s, 95. So 6 by 5 is the another fraction. What is the another fraction? 6 by 5. But here mixed fractions they given, no? So 5 ones 5 plus 1 by 5. 5 ones 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Clear, ma? So easy only, no, this is. So which option is correct? That is option A. And still we are having one more question is there in this worksheet. So that is the sixth question. See here, Neera spends 3 by 5th of her income on food. Of her income on food. And 1 by 4th of the remainder on miscellaneous items. 1 by 4th of the remainder. Here, once see that question properly. Here, Neera spends 3 by 5th part of the total income. Let us take that total income as some x. Okay. So, Neera spends on food. On food, she spends 3 by 5th part of x. 3 by 5th part of x. Okay. So, the leftover here, 3 by 5th part of x, no? So, leftover, see here. So, 3 by 5th part she spends on that food. Okay. She spends on clothes. So, on clothes, how much she spends? See here, on that leftover part, so on that leftover part means 1 by 3 by 5 of x, which is equals to 2x by 5. So, on this one, she spends that 1 by 4th part. Understand? She didn't spend that 1 by 4th part for that clothes. From that x, she didn't do that. Okay. Just she used that amount. From that leftover amount, she spent that 1 by 4th on clothes. Understand? So, here we should not take that x. Here we have to take that the leftover money. Already 3 by 5th part total money, 5 parts she did that. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts already she spent on food. So, the leftover 2 parts there, no? Out of 2 parts, from these 2 parts, 1 by 4th part. Understand? From these 2 parts, 1 by 4th part she spends on clothes. Clear? So, that is the meaning of this one. So, 2x by 10. 2x by 4 5s 20. So, 2 ones and 2 tens, which is equals to x by 10th part. X by, which means 1 by 10th part from the total amount. Understand? That is the meaning. Okay. If she saves 945 rupees, if she saves 945 rupees, then total income they are asking. So, let us say that 3 by 5th part of x plus 1 by 10th part of x plus how much money she has here? 945. Okay. Then what they are asking here? Total monthly income they are asking. Okay. So, here x we need to find out. This total x only. Here 3 by 5th part she spent on food and she spent 1 by 10th part on clothes and she is left with the money 945 rupees. So, we need to find the total income. So, here just take that LCM. 5 and 10 LCM is 10 and here 3 into 2 x plus 1 into x is x plus 945, which is equals to x. So, 3 2s are x, 3 2s are 6x plus x is equal to 7x by 10 plus 945 is equal to x. Here also we can use two methods. One is 7x by 10. Okay, so 7x by 10 she spent on something. So the leftover money, this is how much part ma? The leftover 3x by 10 only, no? So 3x by 10 is equal to 945. Then also we will get that x value. Okay, I will tell you that one also. See, 945 is equals to x minus 7x by 10. Okay, so here we will get say that. So 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x by 10. 3x by 10. So see that 3x by 10 is equals to 945. So x is equals to 945 into 10 by 3. Okay, cancellations possible or not? See, 3 ones, 3 3s 9, 3 15s 45. Clear ma? So x is equals to 315 into 10 is equal to 3150. 3150. So that is the total income of that Neera. So that option is there, 3150. Yes, option B is true here. So out of that 3150, she spent 3 by 5th part on food and 1 by 10th part on, not 1 by 4, 1 by 4 that is out of 2 parts. Okay, out of the total money, she spent 1 by 10th part on clothes. Okay, so read that question properly ma. So this is the last question. 6th question from this worksheet. Okay, so in that next video we will discuss that next worksheet problems. Okay, thank you.